Hello, this is meteorologist Wyatt Peters giving you a update on Hurricane Dorian. So let me just start this real quick. Hurricane Dorian right now is expected to ride the east coast of Florida, go up to Georgia, then the Carolinas, possibly affect Ocean City, as the models are moving west today and are expected to kind of ride the coast of the United States. The effects in Ocean City will be minimum, but anywhere along the East Coast up into about Ocean City, Maryland, you have got to watch out for the storm and look out for any updates. The max strength actually reached a Cat 5 today. The storm surge risk is very dangerous for the coast of Florida and much of the East Coast. Right now it's battering the Bahamas between around 15 to 25 or so foot storm surge. So the storm surge is very dangerous and very deadly. This is a life-threatening situation. I want anyone in the path to heed all warnings by the government officials and the National Weather Service, because they're watching the storm. They are here to look out for you and make sure you're the safest as possible, regardless of how unpredictable this storm is. I'm going to show you what the models look like right now and show you exactly how dangerous this storm is. So here, right now, it's over the Bahamas, 956 pressure, Cat 5 winds. As you move along, it is expected to kind of stall for a little bit, but however, I'm going to have to watch out for tomorrow, see if it is stalling, because as of right now, it's inching along slowly, but if it does, it could make landfall in Florida. So really all of Florida still has to keep an eye out on this storm, because it's only supposed to get stronger as it inches closer to the coast of Florida. The low pressure is supposed to get lower, but the winds are kind of going to stay pretty constant, maybe decrease a little bit, but that does not decrease the intensity, like the overall situation of the storm. This is a very life-threatening situation, and you need to take cover or evacuate if you can. But if you watch it, there is a trough from the north that's going to pull this north, as you can see. This model actually has it making landfall in North Carolina, towards the southern part of North Carolina. This is just the GFS model. The European model has it making landfall right around here. But as you can see, Ocean City gets battered pretty good from the GFS model. But again, the European model kind of has it going out to sea a little bit, because it starts to make the turn right about here. But the GFS model takes it in a little bit closer. Again, we're not going to really know much until tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning we should kind of have a better idea whether the storm starts to continue moving towards Florida or if it goes up the coast. I'm going to just show you, I do want to show you the winds real quick, because this storm is just insane. Yeah, it's definitely in the 100s. Right now it's 185 miles per hour, which is the second strongest in the Atlantic. The strongest was Hurricane Allen. That was a while ago, not in any recent memory. But as you can see, it actually does get a little bit stronger as the rotation tightens and then starts to go up the coast, and it does weaken once it makes landfall, because there's no moisture for the hurricane to suck up. So once it makes landfall, the rotation kind of loosens and the wind speed starts to die down. But as long as it stays over the water, this storm is just going to continue to rapidly intensify. Because the water temperatures are also pretty warm. As you can see with these, like, it's hard to tell, but the water temperatures are warm, so it does allow for that hurricane to intensify. I'll keep you guys updated and have a nice night.